Hello children. So we are back with a computer lecture, and today's session, as you all know that our your assessment is on 4th. So what we are going to do is today I am going to conduct one practice worksheet, right? So that you will get an idea that how you are supposed to solve the computer worksheet. Okay. So in the session also I'm going to share the link in the chat box the way I'm sending it now, right? So this way I'll be sending you the link. You have to click on the link. As soon as you click on the link, one Google form will open, right? So let me click over here. So this type of form will be open in front of you, where you can see here I've written computer practice worksheet 1 for class 1. There it would be written computer worksheet. Okay. So I have written date today. Here I have written 3rd, but on then paper the date will be 4th. Okay, so what you have to do first thing is, obviously you need to take your parents' help. So you need to write name over here. So right now I'm just typing my name, but you need to type your name. Okay, then you have to select the division. Okay, so for example, let me just select first day. These two questions are compulsory. As you can see star over here, so you have to enter name and you have to select the division. Now our question paper actually begins. So question number 1, choose two man-made machines from following images. That means we have 4 pictures over here. From these, 2 are the man-made machines and 2 are the natural thing. So man-made machine means what? The machine which is made by the man, person, इंसान, किसी इंसान ने वो machine बनाया है. Those machines are called as the man-made machines, right? And natural thing means which comes automatically, maybe God has created for us, right? So if you look in the first picture is of mixer, right? So mixer, is it a natural one? No. This is a machine. Mixer is a machine. So किसी आदमी ने बनाया होगा, right? किसी इंसान ने बनाया होगा. So obviously it is a man-made. So what is the question? We have to choose 2 man-made machines. So yes, we got a 1. So we'll click. So what do you have to do? You just need to click over here. So as soon as you click, that will be selected. Okay, we got 1. Sun. Is it a man-made? No, it's a natural. Maybe God has created for us, so we are not going to check this. Okay, what a beautiful cycle. Bicycle is over here. Who has made it? Is it a natural one? No, bicycle didn't come naturally. Somebody needs to make it for you. So yes, bicycle, you have to click over here. And what a cute rabbit is sitting over here, right? But rabbit is a natural thing, right? So we are not going to check mark this. So we found 2 man-made machines. So we found these 2. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next question. Now the next question is, choose 2 natural things from following images. Now, as in the previous question, we have choose 2 man-made things. In this question, we have to choose 2 natural things. Okay, I can see in the first image, tree is given. So, is the tree natural? Yes, tree is natural. Okay, here I can see car is here. But car is a, no, it's not a natural. Car is a machine. So we are not going to check this. Okay, next, this is a moon. Moon in the sky. Yes, it is also a natural thing. So we are going to check this. And this is computer, which is not a natural thing. Computer is a machine. So yes, we have got the 2 natural things over here. So we're done with this question also. Okay, let next go to the next question. Okay, now the next question is odd one out. Means what? The thing which does not come in this category, you have to find it out. It is hidden. So you have to find it out and kick it out. Okay, so for that you have to click. So if you click, that means you find it. That thing was hidden and you find it correctly. Okay, so maybe the thing is 2 are natural and 1 is machine, or maybe vice versa, 2 are machines and 1 is a natural. So you have to find it out, and for that you have to look the pictures very carefully. Okay, so let's see what is hidden over here. Which one thing we have to kick it out? Okay, so I can see blue and white sky. Sky is here. So sky is man-made or natural? It's a man-made thing, natural thing. Sky is a natural thing. Okay, I can see a laptop is there. Is laptop a natural thing? अपने आप laptop बनता है? No. So laptop is a machine, man-made thing. Okay. Beautiful flower. Flower, is it a man-made or is it a natural? Flower is a natural. So we have two naturals and one machine. So what we should kick it out? What we should select? This machine. So let me click on this. So we got it and we have odd one out correctly. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Again, we have a odd one out question. Okay. Oh, this is a school bus. Is it a natural thing or a man-made thing? This is a man-made thing. School bus अपने आप नहीं बनती है, right? So school bus is a man-made thing. Oh, monkey is sitting and looking at us. Monkey is a man-made or a natural? Monkey is a natural. Okay, so we have one man-made, one natural. Let's see what is the third image. So third image is washing machine. As it is name suggests, it is a machine. So it is a man-made machine. So these two are machine. And so what we have to kick it out? Sorry, monkey, we have to check you out. So odd one out, monkeys, odd one out. Okay, next. Now some reading serious task. Okay, so question number 5. A printer is a dash. What is printer? So two options are given. Let's see what are they. A printer is a machine or a printer is a toy. Do you know what is printer? You can take print out. You can, if you want to have the picture which is stored in the computer or laptop and you want to take it out, you can take out with the help of this printer. So obviously printer is not a toy. You cannot play with the printer. So printer is a machine. So you have to check the correct answer. Okay, next. Computer works very fast. Now we have to write whether it is a true or it is a false. Computer works very fast. Computer बहुत fast काम करता है. Is it right? Yes. So if it is yes, you have to click on the true. If it is no, you have to click on a false. So yes, computer works very fast. So true. So you will select true. Okay. Computer can take decision. Means if you say to the computer that okay shut down, computer अपने आप shut down हो जाता है? No. Computer अपने आप start होता है? No. Computer अपने आप calculation करता है? No. Computer अपने आप drawing बनाता है? No. Computer cannot take decision. तो ये wrong है. So false. It is false. Computer cannot take decision. So false. You have to click on the false. Okay. Next. We can watch movies on computer. Can you watch movie with the help of computer? On the computer, can you watch the movie? Yes, we can watch the movie on the computer. So yes means true. So you're going to select true. Okay, then go to the next question. Oh, so here one word is written, but something is missing. Yes, one alphabet is missing and you have to find it out which alphabet is missing. Okay, so M, O, obviously these are the related with the computers only. These things are words are related with the computer only. So which is the word which starts with M and related with the computer? M, O, dash, S, E. Is it a mouse? Yes. Then what's the spelling of mouse? M O U S E. So U was missing. So you have to type here U. You can type small also. You can type capital also. It's okay. Okay, so we got the missing alphabet. And the last question, missing alphabet. P, R, I, dash, T, E, R. Printer. So P, R, I, N. So we'll type N. And let's check it once again, whether we have attempted all the question or not. In the exam also, you have to, before submitting, make sure that you have attempted all the questions. Okay, so have you written name? Yes, we have written the name. We have selected the division also. We have marked this answer. First question is done. So first question was two man-made machines. Yes, we have identified it correctly. Second question was two natural things or God created things. Yes, tree and moon. We have identified it correctly. Third question was odd one out. Which is different in this group, that we have to find it out, and we have done that. Right? So laptop was different because these two things were natural things and laptop is a machine. So we have checked this. Okay. Next question was also odd one out. So as we can see, these two are machines, school bus and washing machine. We have odd one out this monkey. Next, there are some questions like filling the blanks, true or false. So a printer is a machine. If question comes like a scanner is a machine, a computer is a machine, a washing machine is a machine, right? So all these are machines. Computer works very fast. So you have to write whether it is true or false. So yes, computer works very fast. So we have selected true. Computer can take decision, but we know computer never take decision. We have to give the instruction to the computer, then only computer performs those instructions. So computer cannot take decision because computer don't have brain to decide, right? That's why we have selected false. False means wrong. We can watch movies on computer. Yes, we can watch Chota Bheem, we can watch Spider-Man, right? So true. Next one is missing alphabet. Mouse. The spelling was mouse, where you were missing. U alphabet was missing. So we have written in the answer U. Missing alphabet. The word was printer and N was missing. So we have written N. So that means we have attempted all the questions. Now we'll click on the submit. So this type of thing will come. Your response has been recorded, and right now I have not made it as a, if you want to see your score at that time, you can see your score also. So you can click on this and you can see the score. Yay! So we got 20 out of 20 marks. See here, you can see your score, 20 out of 20. I want all my students should get 20 out of 20 in the exam. See, now this was the practice worksheet. So same question won't be there in the exam assessment, but the pattern will be same. Like first choose the images, second will be like odd one out, then it will be true or false, then missing alphabet. So the sequence will be same. So obviously the images will be different, right? So yes, I hope that now you parents and also student will understand that how the questions are going to come and how they can solve it, right? So that's it for today's lecture, today's session. Thank you and all the best. We're going to have the exam on 4th. Okay.